Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about HoneyBook, a popular business management software for freelancers and small businesses. I've been using HoneyBook for a while now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for keeping track of my clients, projects, and finances. One of the things that I often get asked about is how much HoneyBook charges per payment. So, in this video, I'm going to break down the different HoneyBook plans and explain how much you'll be charged per payment depending on your plan. Before I get into the specifics of HoneyBook's pricing, I want to take a moment to talk about what HoneyBook is and how it can help you. HoneyBook is a cloud-based software that helps you manage your clients, projects, and finances. It includes a variety of features, such as a client database, a project management tool, a time tracking tool, an invoicing and payment system, proposal generator, contract generator, a website builder. HoneyBook is a great tool for freelancers and small businesses who are looking for a way to streamline their operations and get paid faster. HoneyBook's pricing. HoneyBook offers 3 different pricing plans. Solo, $19 per month. Premium, $39 per month. Team, $129 per month. Each plan includes a different set of features. The Solo plan is the most basic plan, and it includes features such as a client database, a project management tool, and a time tracking tool. The Premium plan includes all of the features in the Solo plan, as well as a proposal generator, a contract generator, and a website builder. The Team plan includes all of the features in the Premium plan, as well as the ability to add up to 3 team members. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, HoneyBook also charges a transaction fee for each payment that you process. The transaction fee is 3% of the payment amount, with a minimum fee of $1. How much does HoneyBook charge per payment? Here's a breakdown of how much HoneyBook will charge you per payment, depending on your plan. Solo, 3% of the payment amount with a minimum fee of $1. Premium, 3% of the payment amount with a minimum fee of $1. Team, 3% of the payment amount with a minimum fee of $1. Additional fees. In addition to the monthly subscription fee and the transaction fee, HoneyBook may also charge you for other fees, such as custom domain fee, $12 per year, email marketing fee, $9 per month, website add-on fee, $29 per month. How to save money on HoneyBook. There are a few things you can do to save money on HoneyBook. Pay for your subscription annually. You can save 10% on your monthly subscription fee by paying for it annually. Use HoneyBook's free trial. You can try HoneyBook for free for 14 days. Refer a friend. You can get $20 off your next monthly subscription fee when you refer a friend to HoneyBook. HoneyBook is a great tool for freelancers and small businesses who are looking for a way to streamline their operations and get paid faster. However, it is important to be aware of the different fees that HoneyBook charges before you sign up for a plan. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on how to run your own business. I'll see you next time.